Hello everyone! Today I'll be unboxing one of my Christmas presents, the 20 centimeter Le Creuset Cocotte in Blanc Shiny White. Since getting my Staub Cocotte a few years back, I felt like I could really use a smaller one, around 18 or 20 centimeters. The smaller sizes aren't really that common where I live, and since this was a want and not a need, I didn't want it badly enough to order online without seeing one first. I was walking around a local department store last December when I saw this exact cocotte and was drawn to it like a magnet. Not only was it the size I wanted, but also my dream colorway. So after playing around with it in store, I crossed my fingers and asked Santa to get it for me, which he did. There's something about off-white, cream, and beige in combination with a metal, silver or gold that really speaks to me. In Estonian, there's an expression, silm puhkab, literally meaning the eye rests. And for me, this combination is that, relaxing and aesthetically pleasing. Whether or not it's practical is debatable. When I got my Staub Cocotte, there wasn't really a Le Creuset colorway that I liked. I preferred the deeper tones and glazing of the Staub as well as its black interior. Since then, I think Le Creuset have really gone after the neutral, loving minimalists and now do offer black, white, beige, and gray colors. I don't think I even knew about this exact white and gold combination before I saw it in store and immediately fell in love with it. I guess the only drawback is that the knob is not dishwasher safe. The reason I wanted a smaller cocotte or casserole is because cast iron and enameled cast iron has this beautiful quality of being both great to cook with but also to serve the food in. I mainly intend to use this for side dishes. Think mashed or boiled potatoes, rice, lentils, etc. that I could cook and just present in the same dish to serve at the table without having to make multiple trips back to the kitchen. And here's an example of me using it in just that way for rice. You can also see how it compares to the Smeg Brazier, which is slightly more beige. I am excited to add this piece to my kitchen kit and looking forward to using it a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.